Kia.
Another episode of Cooking with Kia. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back again with another episode. I hope y'all ready to eat. I'm ready to cook. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, tonight's menu is based on chicken. I'm making chicken dumplings. I'm going to tell you, this is my first time making it. I love eating it. So, whew, Lord, work your magic on that one. But now, if you check the corner, I got my sides going. Broccoli, rice. We about to just go in, dive in. I hope y'all ready. I'm not 100% sure on this dumplings. I'm just winging it, so hopefully it's gonna be good, but I'll let y'all know. We'll see. So I'm shredding my chicken and looking good, but like I said, I don't know. I'm experimenting on this, trial and error. I'll tell you if it was nasty. Don't judge me though. But this right here, this saves me so much time cutting the chicken. You see that? I ain't gotta use no scissors, no knife. Thank you, Grandma. She gave me this for, I think, a housewarming present or something. Good look. Yes. Thank you, Grandma. Is it good?
Yeah, look.
That's good?
Yeah.
Who kitchen you was in?
Kia's kitchen.
Kia's kitchen. Alright, guys. Dinner is served. And I may say, that looks good. I don't know what the camera was doing. Technical difficulties. Apologize about that. But I'll let you know how the chicken and dumplings, check the corner, how the chicken and dumplings came out. I'll let you know. It's going to have a mini episode or whatever. I'll just let you know. But hopefully it turned out good. Anything else y'all want me to fix, you got to understand I'm doing this for entertainment and fun. So the food I cook is what I eat.